Updating your legal name with Falcon Private Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support a name change. This typically includes your marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order, along with a valid form of identification. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to Falcon Private Bank's customer service via phone or email. Inform them of your intention to update your legal name and ask for specific instructions or forms needed for the process. Step 3. Complete required forms. Fill out any forms provided by the bank for the name change. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches your supporting documents to avoid delays. Step 4. Submit your application. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ESER to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm their bid. After submitting your application, follow up with customer service to confirm that your name change has been processed. Keep an eye on your account statements to ensure the update reflects correctly. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Falcon Private Bank. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance.